Looking for a tutorial how to create smoothless and seamless transition using Capcut or some other software, although this tutorial is going to be using Capcut, then you go to the right place. Let's get right into it.
Clap. Go.
I hope it doesn't look too difficult, because it's really easy process and you can make these type of videos in no time. You can use this technique and then create videos for your TikToks or Instagram. That's how you attract more attention from all different users. To create this type of video, you don't need many things, just three. First of them would be your phone. Head to the App Store and download the app called Capcut, because we have to edit with something, so we will use the Capcut for this tutorial purpose. Second thing will be the photos you want to use. If you don't have them at the moment, go and take some, then come back and we will continue. And last but not least, music. You can choose any song you like. Just make sure it's upbeat and it has a quick tempo, because we need to make them quick cuts to make the video interesting and entertaining. Whenever you start looking for the music to use for this type of editing, just keep in mind, you have to hear the beat very clearly and it should be separated from all the other sounds you can hear. In that way, you will save yourself a lot of time during the edit, because you can clearly see in the sound wave panel at the bottom where you should make the cut. Click New Project button at the top left and then add all the photos you want to appear in your project. Then click Add Audio and import your music, or use the music that they have in their library already by just looking through it and clicking on it a couple of times. Congratulations to getting to the most annoying part of the edit that you will experience in this project. What you need to do now is to trim every photo so it matches the beat of your music. For me, it's 0.4 seconds. Bonus tip here. Whenever you edit with Capcut, Capcut adds their own logo at the end of your timeline. If you wish, you can delete it. Me personally, I delete it all the time because it just doesn't go with the project I do. It's a little something nice you can keep in your videos if you want to promote their software. After all that's done, I always like to play it from the beginning and see how I'm doing.
Clap. Go.
After the short revision, you go back to the beginning of your timeline, click on the first video, then click animation at the bottom and choose combo. So that means it's gonna be in and out transition. Then the screen is gonna pop up and you're gonna choose pendulum 1. That's gonna give us the desired transition effect that we're going for in this tutorial. After you do that, just keep going through all the videos and apply this effect that we want. After the effect is applied, we need to make sure that the photos is filling full frame. As you can see here in the example I'm doing, the picture is not fully covering the frame because there's some space at the top and bottom left. So just go through all the pictures and make sure it's covering all of the workspace we're using. When that's done, it's time to see how our project is looking, so we play again from the very beginning.
Clap. Yo.
After the preview, I see that the audio is longer than I need it to be, so I just fade it for a couple of seconds at the end and trim it down so it ends with the video instead of just showing the viewer a black screen at the end. After all the adjustments are made, you just click the arrow at the top right corner to save your project, and that's it. I hope this video tutorial helped you out in creating this seamless transition. If it did, check my channel for more tips and tricks how to use Capcut. And as always guys, see you next time.